expertise to find a coffee shop at Brisbane?
From 1 to 10?
Yep.
Is anything because I am not a big coffee person.
Okay.
I love chai. So if you tell me in Mumbai, I'll take you to amazing chai spots.
Okay.
Or I'll make it for you, yeah.
Actually, coffee lovers have like different versions of black coffee as well.
मेरा इतना सीन नहीं, मुझे सिर्फ kick चाहिए so that I'm fresh to start my day and I get out of my sleepy mode. To be surprised to hear about you, they had to hear something.
So the first time I got selected for Bengal Seniors,
Yeah,
and I realized that if I had to pay, I would miss out my 11th exams.
yeah.
I started crying.
I would be the happiest person. I would tear my books apart. Wow.
So if there was one skill that you could master instantly, what would it be?
How to cook like my granny. Because firstly, I'm horrible at cooking. I think my granny cooks the most amazing food I've ever had. And I wish that would be one thing I would like instantly want to learn. So that wherever I go, I can, enjoy that same ghar ka khana.
That's sweet.
Yeah. So if time wasn't a factor, what would you do in life?
I think I would still play cricket
Yeah.
because I love doing that.
Yeah.
And genuinely, that makes me the happiest. But I think I would also open a bakery because I love to bake.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. Have you baked at home?
Yeah, I do bake at home. So whoever's birthday is coming up, they bake a nice cake for me.
You never baked anything for me.
Because I never got an oven.
That's sad. It's okay anyway.
Yeah. But I would do that.
Yeah, that's nice.
What's the most memorable encounter that you have had with a fan?
Okay, so this is just after I played for India, and before that, I was practicing at a club where I was the only girl among 500 boys. So just I came back from the tour, I was on the ground, I was practicing. Suddenly a parent comes, holding his daughter's hand, and he's like, मुझे मेरी बेटी को आपकी तरह बनाना है. That was the most wholesome moment for me. So I think that is one of the best moments I had, and I still remember that. So if you could have dinner with anyone, an historical figure from past, present, or future, who would that be?
So I would like to dine with Stan Lee. So he
Okay.
is the writer and creator of all the comics of Marvel.
Right.
So all the characters he owns.
Okay.
He is that old guy who has snippets in all the movies.
Right.
And comes
Yeah,
sit
yeah.
somewhere. So he is that guy.
Oh, nice.
So I would like to know why did he have to kill Iron Man and how he's coming back into the movies.
Nice. And maybe we'll get a clip of you also sitting in one of the movies with Stanley.
Yeah, so that would be fun.
Nice.
What's the best piece of advice that you have received?
The best piece of advice. Okay. I think for me was that, I just come into the team. It had been a year or so. We were playing the Women's T20 Challenge that time, and I'm seeing all these players like Sophie Devine and all these people coming, hitting Haridi, smacking off Smriti, hitting Natsima Brunt. And then, somewhere I felt the urge that I got to play my cricket that way because it's T20, I got to hit the ball out of the park and, be explosive and stuff like that. And trying to do that, I was not doing well. But that's when one of my friends, very close friends, nobody know about her, that's Smriti. She came to me and she says, you don't have to be a Smriti Mandhana or a Harmanpreet Kaur. Be the best version of Jemimah Rodrigues you can. And at that moment, it made a lot of sense to me because you know how it is. You want to go out there and you feel that that's the only way to play. But then I realized, no, I can score runs playing my way and be as effective as them. Maybe it might not look so explosive, but I can get the job done for the team. And I think that really helped me.
Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers, man. So we all know you play for Bengal. From Bengal, another legend comes, that is Jhulan Goswami. One quality of her you would like to have in your cricketing career?
She's very hardworking and she has this resilience about herself. I mean, to be able to do it for 4 or 5 years is something, but to be doing it for 20 years
Yeah.
for the country and to be maintaining that career
Yeah.
graph the way she did, it's amazing.
Correct.
And to keep performing at that level, it takes a lot of hard work. And to be doing it for 20 years, it's something to be
100%.
appreciated.
100%.
How was your experience of your ODI debut?
It was really nice, and the fun fact here is it was against Australia in Baroda. So I remember Biju sir was there, and he is one of the reasons I'm such a good fielder because when I debuted, he literally gave me so many catches that my hands were swollen and black and blue and red. But he actually prepared me for international cricket. So he gave me the cap. It was a very special moment. My parents were there. And yeah, and just before that, I made my T20 debut. I think that was more special to me because the first time you're getting your India cap. Yeah, I was so glad I could relive another debut few months down the line. So that was great. But you've not made your debut yet.
No, I
Are
haven't.
you excited?
Yes, very much so. I mean, like, just as you said, like, to make the first debut, like, which I had done in,
Yeah.
in T20, that is very special. Because
Yeah.
you're excited because for your whole span of cricket life, I wanted this.
Correct.
And to get that, to achieve that, it's a surreal moment.
That's great. Awesome. So you push and then slowly. Yeah, so you push it and then you go like that.